Howdy there, you've just seen Brett unbox the first version of the Surface Pro 12-inch. That's the commercial version that Brett had. I've got here with me the retail version. Let's open it up together. So we have these accessible tabs here which make opening easy. We'll just peel that open. Sustainable packaging as well. In this case, because it's the retail version, it's color matched to suit the device itself. Now this is a difference between the retail and the commercial version. In commercial, you can pick any color as long as it's silver or platinum they call it. But here in retail, we get platinum plus violet plus this wonderful ocean color. Pretty excited to get this out. Again, tab to pick it up, peel that off there, kickstand on the back. We've got our brand new device here. Same as the commercial version, a couple of ports on the side here, USB-C, our docking connector on the bottom for the keyboard, our camera in this new position up in the back top right. If you're looking at it on your screen right now, it's where most of our mobile devices have their cameras these days. Really cool, light, slick device, really beautiful, and I love this color, pretty amazing. Now, in this case here, nothing underneath this packaging other than some paper. I have a USB-C cable here. No power supply in the box in this device, and optional power supplies. And this is done, you might say that it's a bit of a money grab to charge you for a power supply, but actually what it's about is making sure that you don't buy things you don't need. If you've already got a power supply, then why buy another one? I'm sure if you've got other Surface devices, you'll have one here. USB-C power though, and we're good to go. So that's the kit there for the device itself. Now, what about the keyboard? Let's get that out of a box too. Again, same sustainable packaging, accessible as well with a tab. Let's rip that open here and open up the keyboard. Pops open, beautiful color as well. Pop that out with the tab here. So one of the things they've improved with this new keyboard for the Surface Pro 12-inch is that this hinge is different. The old hinge would fold behind as the keyboard fold behind and it would sort of wrap around. This one does the same thing, but it extends out there. So it's like a little pull-up banner, as it were, and that's a new connection. And it's also now, there's no raised fins here to connect your keyboard to the device. So just bringing this nearby now will automatically trigger the connection. Really solid. You can see that hinge pull out here. Bit of effort required to get it off, but we're good to go. The testing done on this connection is phenomenal. It connects correctly every single time and will last the life of the device very comfortably, according to the testing that Microsoft have done on this. Now, on the back of this device, we have our pen space. So little hollow there for the pen to sit on. Again, it takes some effort to remove the pen from this. It's not easy. So that will be an effective way to make sure you've got your pen with you whenever you need it. The Surface Slim Pen 2 did not come in this box. There is a keyboard bundle that you can get that pen in with together. I got plenty of Surface Pro pens here, so I didn't have that, didn't buy it in this case. So that's the device, beautiful in the color of your choice, one of the three. But what else is different? Commercial versus retail? Well, that's the version of Windows you get. So Windows Home by default on this device, you'd have to upgrade to Pro if you wanted to use this commercially. So there we have it, Surface Pro 12-inch, first edition, Snapdragon processor, all-day battery life, pretty incredible. Thanks for watching.